Let me first assure the Kenyans that the Inspector General of Police deployed enough officers to provide security in Kalou. These allegations of some other persons who are causing havoc in the Kalou must be investigated thoroughly, and anyone who is culpable must be arrested, regardless of their what they were doing and who deployed them to Kalou. Whether they were deployed by the Inspector General and they went and misbehaved, they must be dealt with and dealt with finality. I am not, let me say this, we are not condoning violence in any way, whether it was Kalou, whether it was Mbere, whether it was Narok, and whether in the next elections. We want to assure the people of Kenya that we are not going to condone that kind of thing. So any such actions must be investigated and perpetrators brought to book immediately.